Hello guys, one again this is Pachutoriga and Clara. So guys, today I want to just give you the clue, the knowledge about how to use some of the Google apps. So I want to speak about the Google apps today. So let me go to my Chrome. So I want those Google apps. So we have very many Google apps. We have Google Maps, the Google Download, the Chrome Wave, the Inbox, Google Drives, and the sign in Google and Gmail. There are very many. So today I just want to talk about the Google Maps. So I come here and double click. So put for instance, I want to know my area. See, let me search for Gulu City. Gulu, Gulu, Gulu City, Gulu City, Gulu City. So this is the Gulu City. I think you are seeing the Gulu City. This is Unyama. Uh, we have Gulu City, Tapist, Gulu City Landfill, Gulu City Main, Gulu City. This is where they have posted welcome to Gulu City. Post. This is Koro. This is the way going to Koro. So this is the way going to Kitgum. This one here. I think you have seen. This is a AFC Garden. AFC Garden is in Unyama. I think you have seen Unyama. So like put for instance, I want just to travel from Gulu University and say Gulu University, Gulu University. This is Gulu Airport. Say for instance, I want to just go from Gulu Airport here to Unyama. So some of these guys are very funny about the bottom nowadays. So they will just charge you a very high price for nothing, even yet the place is not being. If food, for instance, it might be like only 10,000 from Gulu Airport to Unyama. And those guys, they will just, if you don't know the area, they will first see you. Then you will see them, they'll run with you from Gulu Airport to Laibi, they go with you up to Peje, then they go with you to Unyama. Then you say you pay 20,000 because it was very far. Yet that is not the actual. Yet is that one is not the actual kilometer or the distance from Gulu Airport to Unyama. So Google Maps, it helps you to know the distance. If you want to food, like for footing, you know the distance. If you're taking the motorbike, if you're taking the vehicle, you know the distance and the minutes you will take, from Gulu Airport to Unyama. So guys, that is what I want to discuss with you. So just like, subscribe, and the first thing you first say watch, then you subscribe. So if you have not watched and you have subscribed, that is nothing. That means you have done that. You have not done anything. So you first subscribe, then you first watch, then you subscribe. That is it. That's the only thing I want to discuss. So we shall meet in the next video. In the next video. Shall meet in the next video.